Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today's video topic is if Bluetooth is not working on your Android mobile phone or you are not able to connect any Bluetooth device with your Android mobile phone. In this video, let's fix this issue. So first, open settings on your Android mobile phone. So click on settings. After that, scroll down and click on apps. You can see here this option apps. Click on apps. After that, you have to click on this filter button and you will see this option here, show system apps. If this option is not showing here, in that case click on these three dots and then click on that option, show system apps. So in my phone, in my Android mobile phone, this option is here. So if I click on this filter button, this is the option I need, show system apps. So enable this option. After that, click on OK. Now you have to search for your Bluetooth app. So scroll down and this is the app we need, Bluetooth. Click on it. Now after that, scroll down and click on this storage option. Now in the storage option, click on this option, clear cache. So this will clear all the cache and junk file in your Bluetooth app. So this is your first step. After that, if you're still getting the same issue, go back. Okay, go back and then click on this search icon here. Now in the search column, type reset. So if I type reset, click on this reset option. Click on reset. Now here, this is the option we need, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So click on this option. So this option will reset my Wi-Fi and my Bluetooth settings. So this will fix all the Bluetooth related issues on your Android mobile phone. But one important thing, this will not delete anything. This will not delete any data, any application from your Android mobile phone. This will only reset your Bluetooth settings only. Okay, so you have to click on reset settings. It's done. Now restart your phone, and these are the two steps you can apply to fix all the Bluetooth related issues on your Android mobile phone. This is all for the video. Thank you.